Good morning, students. In our last video, we had started Chapter 10, Cleanliness and Health. We had discussed some of the rules to keep ourselves clean. Today, we will continue with this chapter with the topic Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Open page number 62 in your EVS book. The Clean India or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan campaign teaches us the importance of cleanliness in our lives. Children, you all have heard about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh means clean. This mission, or we can say this Abhiyan campaign, is started by our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He focused to keep India clean and safe. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan campaign teach us the importance of cleanliness. It teaches us why cleanliness is very much important in our life, because with the cleanliness only we can keep ourselves disease free. Now come to page number 63. Kinds of waste. Children, in our last video, when we are dealing with the rules to keep ourselves clean, we had learned that we should throw waste in dustbin. Waste are of two kinds. Number one, biodegradable waste, and number two, non-biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable waste? These waste include like vegetable peels, paper and animal excreta which can rot and can mix in the soil. Children, biodegradable waste are those waste which can rot and which can mix in the soil. Rot means sarna. It include vegetable peels, the skin of the vegetables which we call chilka in Hindi. All the kinds of vegetable peels, paper and the waste released by the animal, these all kinds of waste can mix in the soil. So these kind of waste is biodegradable waste. Number two, non-biodegradable waste. These include waste like glass, aluminium foil and polythene. They do not rot and do not mix in the soil, and these waste cause pollution. Children, non-biodegradable waste are those kind of waste which do not rot and do not mix in the soil, and these waste cause pollution like soil pollution, water pollution, etc. We should not throw any kind of glass, aluminium foil and polythene anywhere. We should use dustbin to throw any kinds of non-biodegradable waste. So children, two kinds of waste are there. Biodegradable waste, the waste which get mixed in the soil like vegetable peels, fruit peels, paper, waste released by animals, etc. And non-biodegradable waste means those kinds of waste which do not mix in the soil and cause pollution like polythene, aluminium foil, glass, rubber, etc. Next, ways of garbage disposal. It is very important to dispose of waste properly. Children, it is very important to throw or dispose the waste properly. Throwing waste anywhere can harm our health. Disease causing insects start growing on the garbage dumps. Children, we should not throw waste anywhere because insects which cause disease stuck in those garbage and in open area like flies, etc. So at home, how can we dispose the garbage? Always throw waste in the dustbin. We should throw the waste in the dustbin, and we should use those kinds of dustbin which is covered. Next, wrappers of toffee or chocolates, waste paper, pencil sharpenings, peels of fruits and vegetables should be thrown in the dustbin. Any kind of wrappers, children, of toffee, biscuit, chips, etc. Waste papers. When we sharp our pencil, then that pencil sharpening. Fruits and vegetable peels. All these kinds of waste at home should be thrown in the dustbin only. Next, mop the floor of the house daily and throw waste in dustbin. We should clean the floor of our house with antiseptic like Dettol, phenyl, etc. daily, and we should throw the waste in the dustbin only. Clear? Next, at surroundings, the places near us. Dustbins are kept everywhere in the cities for collecting waste. Waste should be separated before disposal. Children, whenever you are going out anywhere, like in your school, like public places, market, everywhere, in every cities there are dustbins everywhere. So we should throw everything in the dustbin only. Throw wet waste means those kinds of waste which are biodegradable, means they can mix with the soil, in the green color dustbin. Waste like food waste, fruit and vegetable peels are thrown in green dustbin. Now children, whenever you are going out, you can see there are two colors of dustbin. See, in page number 63, there is a picture of two dustbin. One is of blue color and the other is of green color. The green color dustbin is of biodegradable waste and blue color dustbin is of non-biodegradable waste. As we had discussed that biodegradable waste are those kind of waste that can get mixed with the soil, and non-biodegradable waste means those kind of waste which do not get mixed with the soil and cause water, air and soil pollution. So we should throw wet waste means food waste, fruit and vegetable peels, etc. in the green color dustbin. Throw dry waste like chocolate wrappers, glasses, cold drink or the soft drinks that you drink, those kinds of containers or cans should be thrown in the blue dustbin. Clear? So children, go through the chapter Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, kinds of waste, ways of garbage disposal, and read each and every line properly. Thank you.